National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Northeastern Grant County and Central Arkansas, Southeastern Saline County and Central Arkansas, South Central Pulaski County and Central Arkansas until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bryant, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Little Rock, Shannon Hills, Wrightsville, East End, Sweet Home, Ironton, Bauxite, Hensley, Sardis, Higgins, Shaw, Viney Ridge, Woodson, Parker's Iron Springs, College Station. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 76, effective until midnight, Saturday. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Prairie, Pulaski, and White. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.